Sakay kami ng taxi na walang driver. So, ito yun na. Ayan!
Okay. Hey there, Marcus.
Ouch! Oh my God! So, ayan yun.
Ready?
Yeah, start ride.
Here we go.
Oh my God!
Hello from Waymo.
Oh! Wala ko lang.
Give us 1 minute to cover a few riding tips.
Oh, diba?
This
Walang...
experience may feel futuristic, but the need to buckle up is the same as always. So keep your seatbelt fastened, please.
We need to do
If
seatbelt.
you're traveling with little ones.
Oh, we need to buckle our seatbelt nila. Wait, look at you. So, ayan. Wala kaming... Sabakay kami ng taxi na walang driver. Diba? Hadlok I think. Aray. Ayan, ito yung loob. Ayan si Big Daddy. Aray. Oh, birthday ni Big Daddy ngayon. Happy birthday, my love. Ayan, o diba? Yung taxi namin. Yung ba ataas? Hi. So, ayan. Walang driver yan. Kala nyo, ha? Yan yung itsura ng ano namin ito. Yan yung itsura ng car namin na walang driver. Aray. Ay, tingnan mo lang, diba? Nag-drive, oh my God. Nag-drive lang yan siya sarili niya. Driver yan, ting. Walang driver. Self-drive. Oh, diba? Experience og sakay og kuan taxi na walay driver. Oh, diba? Nag-relax sa si Big Daddy og drive ngayon kasi birthday niya. Oh, diba? Relax sa si Big Daddy og drive. Kay birthday ni Big Daddy. So kaya dili man ay hadlock, abi na ko hadlock, dili man ay hadlock. Abi na ko hadlock mo sakay og kani ang taxi na walay driver, dili man di ay. Uy, kinuha ko. So, ayan yan siya. Ayan yung dagway niya. Yung puti na yan. Oh, my love. Sakay taog. Taxi na walang driver. So, ayan na. Ayan na siya. Driver. Malapit pa kami sa pupuntahan namin. Si Big Daddy hapit babangga.
Almost there. Don't forget your phone, keys, or wallet.
Dito na kami.
For your safety, the doors will remain locked when we arrive. Pull the handle twice to exit. The first pull unlocks, the second opens the door. For your safety, the door when we arrive. Pull the handle twice to exit. The first pull unlocks, the second opens the door. You're here. Please make sure it's clear before exiting.
So, andito na kami. My love, I'm gonna go. left. Oh, di ba? Andito na kami. Ayun yun siya. Ayun yun siya, oh. Oh, ayan yun yung sinakyan namin. Alis na siya. It's locked, oh, di ba? Wala yang driver. Yan yung sinakyan namin, oh, di ba? Walang driver yan. Ikot lang yan siya doon.
Alright, you ready?